Hey there, creepy critters and everyone new to our show. We are trash people from the dump. I am Theo Monstar.
And I'm Aunt Gore, and this is our Playhouse of Terror. Today we have more Ghoulish Goodies boxes,
Yep.
mystery boxes. I think one is Chucky. I mean, that's why I'm
Excuse me.
wearing Chucky. And then one's Haunted Mansion and one's Ghostbusters, I believe. So
I'm betting this
they
one's
have
Chucky.
all kinds of different themes of mystery boxes. All of the ones we've gotten so far have been fabulous. I highly recommend them.
Big spider this time.
They have different sizes and all that.
Ooh.
I think these are all deluxe, but I'm not positive.
I guess so, they're pretty big.
I think they're all deluxe, yeah.
Let's go through these mostly pretty quickly here. 'Cause we got lots
I'm
to go
guessing
through.
this one's Chucky, but I'm not
Yeah,
positive.
that's what I was thinking. I was thinking this one's Chucky.
They had even had like bloody like handprints and markings on the outside of the box. So. And then as usual, yeah, like as they showed, they always have like a spider trap in them. It's so cool. It's a super fun gift. I would highly recommend this as a surprise for
Remind me, I'm taking
a friend or family that really loves horror movies or, you know, whatever the themes might be. I highly recommend them.
Remind me.
Not a sponsor.
Remind me my rings are in here.
Okay.
So I had to take them off.
Yeah, this is definitely Chucky.
I'm already a big fan of this big Chucky bag.
Oh, that's super. Oh my god, that's so cool.
This is mostly the candy bag, but it looks like there's some stuff in there.
Yeah, we'll do like we've been doing with these unboxings. All the little stuff we'll do in a video that will be at the very end. There's a few big things I could show. Like this fucking awesome cup. Look at that. That's so cool.
This is an awesome cover.
Oh, I don't know if we have that on Blu-ray. I don't think we have that on
We
Blu-ray.
have like every single one of Blu-ray.
Yeah. Oh no, you're right.
But
We got
this
that
is-
collection.
This is
yeah.
too gorgeous. I'm gonna keep
That
this.
is pretty. Yeah.
This looks like cards, maybe stickers. Okay, this is usually the stickers. Stickers will show more in detail out there. You'll get an idea. It's Chucky stickers. They got a whole bunch of Chucky.
Oh yeah, those are
But
cool.
maybe we'll show them better.
Cool card. They always give a card, but they put the note like inside the card so you can like actually reuse the nice card.
I'm gonna put this in here with stuff to show out there. The stickers.
Yeah, that's. Oh, we got a toe tag.
Oh, nice.
Laura and Theo.
Awesome.
Sex, not today, Satan.
Not today, Satan.
State of death today.
Oh.
Death by killer dolls. The physician was Dr. Feelgood, sorry. Comments. Be careful when you play with dolls that they don't play with you.
Do we have this already?
I don't know if we have that one.
We'll have to
We
double
have
check.
one,
There's
but
the
that
Chucky
might be
Pop.
a giveaway.
We might have it. If we do, we'll give it away. But if we don't, it'll go with our other Chucky Pop.
Ooh, it's a pillowcase.
Oh,
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I like that a lot.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. You want to see?
That's cute. Okay, what's in this? Oh, I thought it was one big package, but it's a package with packages.
Packages.
I'll show those too. There's some Chucky masks, it looks like.
Ooh, that's a really cool mask. Actual face mask. Here, I'll show you the back so you can see what it looks like. Oh, another coloring book. We're gonna have to have a day of just coloring. Chucky coloring book. Let me see some of them on the back. It's really cool.
I love this cute, dorky knife. Like a play knife.
Oh, that'll actually be fun for.
Play knife.
I still have a couple more videos to do today, so.
And some Chucky socks. You see?
Oh, those are so exciting.
This is a 10. This is definitely a lunchbox, so I'm pretty excited about that. We don't have too many lunchboxes.
No, we don't have any lunch boxes in our collection.
And Bride is probably my favorite of the Chucky movies, personally.
That is fucking sweet.
Lunchbox. Tin container. Or to stash all your murdering tools in. So that's pretty cool.
Oh, that's so cool, but look at what this is.
That's an ornament.
An ornament. That's so cool. We have a cool ornament collection, so that'll go nicely.
Maybe set that up there so it doesn't get broke.
Okay.
Oh, cool. That's then actually handy. We use some decorations all the time.
Oh yeah, actually, yeah. Horror movie cocktail.
Alright, 2 more
I'm
things.
really excited about this. I've been needing a nice
Throw.
throw that I can like do my daily mail haul on. That's cooler than what I've been using. That is nice. Here, if you can see it. This giant blanket like that. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show all the blanket on
That's
camera.
pretty sweet. Backpack. Yeah, they're just pretty cool.
This has been fucking sweet, man.
Yeah, that was an awesome box. That was the Chucky box.
Trying to get through this before our food gets here.
Yeah, well we got 3 boxes and this takes a while, so we're trying to get through it and have all the time for all our other stuff.
But we'll see. We'll show you all the little things.
Yeah, all the little things will be close up, better shown at the end. Make sure I can get out of this.
Yeah, that's a fucking sweet blanket that I'm actually gonna use right now because it's fucking freezing back here.
Okay, up next is I don't know.
Yeah, that's fucking cool. I can snuggle up with Chucky now.
By the way, I've got this little guy here you might have seen. I'll have links to
Oh,
where
yeah.
I got that.
Yeah, they did a TikTok unboxing of that. It's from another TikToker that
I'll have her links
yeah,
down below.
they made that special for Theo because they asked if they wanted very specific colors or if they wanted to like just kind of do their own thing with it. They did their own thing. It's so cool.
Oh, it looks like we got a little hard drive on this one.
I wonder if it's different from the one we already have.
Yeah, they have these really cool. Sometimes they send you these little drives that have a whole bunch of like haunted
Cool.
radio music.
Yeah.
Like it'd be awesome for Halloween.
Music
kind
and
of thing.
stories and stuff. It's really cool. We're gonna have to listen to it when we start driving again.
Oh, this is a track list.
Oh,
Actually, a
I
track
see.
list.
That's cool.
really nice.
Yeah, keep that with that.
That's really nice. I'm excited to check that out. I'll try to keep this one up.
Maybe we can play just a little bit of that at the end when we're over the little things. Maybe we'll
Here's this thing.
play a little bit of that so you can get an idea of what. That
And
is.
of course,
Oh, that's a
there's gonna
really
be a
cool.
whole bunch of stickers and stuff here.
I bet this is Haunted Mansion because this is the Mickey Halloween card.
Yeah, I bet. Probably mansion. I'm trying to keep this specific stuff more up here.
Oh, okay. I don't think I did that for the other one. But that's fine.
What other one? We just opened this.
Stickers for the other one.
Oh no, I'm just keeping this stuff here,
Oh, I
Chucky
see,
stuff
I
there. I'm
see
just
it.
trying to keep
I
it
gotcha.
separate from the other stuff.
Death by Paranormal Investigation.
You know? Oh, this is really cool.
Sex, not lately. Curiosity killed the cat. Literally.
You can never have enough skeletons in your house. Sometimes
Oh, we don't have a black
everyone
silvery one.
has skeletons in your closet. Let them come out and hang out with you.
Yeah, don't keep your skeletons in your closet.
Unless you're like a murderer.
Well, I mean, yeah. Okay.
Ooh, a creepy hanging thing. That's cool.
Oh,
Like our own haunted house. Our own haunted house.
Our house is always haunted.
Yep, it is. What's this? I don't think this has anything important. boxes for you.
Oh, it's cool. It's even got Nightmare Before Christmas
Oh, it does.
wrapping paper.
Yeah, that's really cute.
So
Do you
cool.
see?
Oh, that's really cool. It's the Haunted Mansion CD.
Oh, that's really neat.
Story and song from the Haunted Mansion. And a bonus track. That's really cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
I bet this is a Haunted Mansion movie. It is. Which is really terrible, but kind of a fun
I don't know
terrible.
if I've ever seen it.
I don't think you have either. I think I watched that on my own.
Isn't Eddie Murphy in that?
Yeah.
Back when he was doing all those kids films. Oh, well, this is gonna make you real happy.
So happy. Oh my god. And we're gonna be like probably going to Disney a lot more after COVID's all over, especially since a certain someone is going to be living in Florida, so we can go visit them. So I have lots of plans to go to Disney again.
Interesting. These are
That
handmade.
will be super fun. I love
Handmade
that.
3D mouse ears from Sage Ears. In case you're
Ooh.
wondering what's up.
Yeah, I'll have to
Sage
keep
ears.
that so I can tag them whenever I wear these. That's really
You can
cool.
just honestly, if you
Yeah,
want to set
I'll
that
just
more special. I think that was all that was in that
That's
one.
so cool.
Yeah, that was super cool. Considering how much you like those kinds of things.
They know us. The wrapping paper is so cool. I almost don't want to rip it.
Hello.
Might keep some of the wrapping paper.
Opening up.
Oh, that's cool. We don't have a mummy pop.
Yeah, that is cool.
Oh, it's actually specifically Haunted Mansion too.
Oh, nice.
Mummy spirit.
That's cool.
That is really cool.
That's so neat.
That. This is so cool. Oh my
It's
god.
a
hopefully you can see
replica
it well.
of the buggy, and then look,
Oh no.
you get your little ghost in the car.
That's so cool.
That's really cool. And the 50th anniversary.
Like my only memory from one of the trips to Disneyland, I think, when I was like super little, like I was like 4 years old,
This is the
was the
candy
Haunted
bag.
Mansion. I was obsessed with the Haunted Mansion as a kid, so
That's the candy bag.
It has a very special place in my heart.
I like that the candy bags come in those totes because we'll make use of those. Totes, you know?
Uh-huh.
We can take them for shopping
Yeah, we'll
and then
show
we
all
don't
the-
have to.
Oh
Like-
yeah,
Like all these
absolutely.
fabric totes instead of using plastic.
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. Like, since I can shove those in my backpack or whatever, and then yeah, when we go shopping.
Is this the last thing in here? I think so.
Once COVID's a little bit more under control. Because I know reusable bags, they weren't letting people use that with COVID, but... Oh, that's cool. We don't have a sound thingy.
There's the pictures for what they all are
That's
too.
so cool.
That's really cool. I like that a lot.
Okay.
I like this spooky bath caviar. It's just bath beads, but that's cute. That's cute. I guess I could
Yeah,
just
put that in there.
put it in there.
Okay.
And here's the
Sure.
Pez.
Oh, that's cool.
Pez. Emo candy. Yeah, you might be able to show him better on camera. It's a nice little tray.
Ooh, actually, I'll probably use that in more
That
movie
tray.
cocktails because I always need something cute to put my things on. Oh, that's cute too.
There's something inside it too. Ah,
Oh, that's really cool.
see it lighting up in there. And We didn't open up.
Some more fun costume jewelry that I'll just wear like every day because I'm a weirdo.
Yeah, that's really nice. I really like that little box. Little haunted house activity book.
No, that's cute.
Ooh, this has 20 of these things in here.
Ooh, those will be fun decorations.
Creepy frame cutouts. Oh, this is definitely gotta go somewhere.
Oh, it's not Ghoulish Goodies without one of those. I love those.
Yeah, I love these tin poster kind of things.
Beware of hitchhiking ghosts.
Oh wow. That's a nice clock. Look. This is really cool. Do you see? The Haunted Mansion clock. I'll probably put this above the doorway.
That would be
out.
nice in here, yeah.
Or in here, yeah, I guess. No, it'll click.
Oh, yeah.
But I'll probably put it above the door leading out in the garage.
Oh, yeah, that's a good place for it.
That's
yeah.
pretty sweet, though.
That's really cool. Nice blanket.
Can't feel.
Ooh, I think it is another blanket. Ooh. It's probably good because all of our decorative blankets have become dog blankets. Because our dog is dying and
Yeah, our doggy's not
barely
well.
making it to the bathroom anymore. So we have pretty gross decorative blankets at this point. So this will be nice replacements for us.
This is awesome.
This is so cool.
This is
I
a
love it. So soft. Ooh, what is this? Is this a lamb?
I think so, yeah. Now I'll look that up. So. We'll have to get a light for it, but
Nice.
to go over the top.
Ooh.
The light goes down inside too, and then look, she'll shine through when it's.
That's really neat.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, and then you
see
can't
her?
quite see her in there. I'll show it this way. There you go. Now you can see her, and she'll shine through when it's lit.
Yeah.
I'll have to get a little light bulb for that.
That's really
That's
cool.
really cool, yeah. So awesome. That was the Haunted Mansion box. And
That
that
was
was
a fun
really
one.
cool. I like this little lamp a lot.
Here, I'll set this up.
I'll put it over here right now. It'll be okay there. Okay.
One last box.
One last box. Is this the Ghostbusters?
Ghostbusters.
Is that right?
Yep.
I'm gonna
At least
quit.
I'm pretty sure.
I'm gonna stop this real fast and be back because I need to move some of that stuff. How much stuff is
Ooh, a glow in the dark one.
Skeletons all in the house.
Yeah, that's really cool. A green glow in the dark skeleton. Put that in the bedroom with all the black lights.
Here's the
More
Scream popcorn.
stickers, I think. Oh yeah, I bought that separately.
Okay.
I bought this because, well, this is probably already posted, but I'm doing Scream for the horror movie cocktail, so go check out that because that's probably already posted by the time this video posts. Making a popcorn, like a extra special popcorn, and then a popcorn flavored cocktail and mocktail. So
I don't think I have on the. I don't think we have this on Blu-ray. I think we only have a VHS or a DVD. Of it.
Yeah, I think we have
Oh, we do have a
DVDs
two-pack.
of 1 and 2. Yeah. We have the
Little
cartoons,
ghosty, little ghosties. Turn around so everybody can see your face. Ghosties.
Some really cool stickers. I'll try and show more of them better when we do the little pictures. Or, yeah, the video of the little stuff.
I don't think I have this exact Slimer. I have a Slimer plush, but I don't think it's
Oh,
this.
no, it's not quite like that one. That one's sillier.
Yeah.
That's funner. I like that.
We have a well the one we have.
We have the one from
Build-A-Bear,
Build-A-Bear, yeah.
That's awesome.
We're gonna do another Ghostbusters episode. Maybe we'll show some of these things in that. But yeah,
I think
we'll
this
do
is the candy bag.
Ghostbusters
Yes,
episode.
this is the candy bag.
Let's see. Sex? I sure hope so. Cause of death? Busting ghosts.
Oh, I like that. That's cute. Little ghosties.
Oh, that's cool. I love that cup. Comments, be careful that the ghosts don't bust you. And then another really cool card. I'm gonna have to start using these cards next year for Halloween and give cards to my friends for once. Plastic is really cool.
This is an amazing coloring book. Holy crap.
Oh,
Really big.
they find the
Coloring book.
coolest coloring book. Oh, this is a really nice. It's even got like a lid and everything. That's really nice. Who are you gonna call?
This is pretty sick.
Sick.
It's like from the new movie. That's awesome.
That's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we have anything from the new one.
Oh, and then of course, wonderful. The tin, of course, is the Ghostbusters poster. See?
Oh, that's cool.
Stay Puft Bubblehead.
Ooh.
Take it out also.
Ooh, this'll be good. I need to do a Ghostbusters cocktail episode. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Really nice tumbler. Oh, he's so cute. Take off his neck scarf. That's super cute. That's a really heavy duty one
Yeah,
too.
I know. It's like
I
ceramic.
thought it was like plastic, but it's not. It's
like ceramic or something.
That's really nice.
Here's these. Here, I'll put them over here.
Just don't want to bust.
Okay.
We have some like mystery box Ghostbuster things that we'll have to open soon. Oh, this is really cool. Oops.
This one's like a 35th anniversary box here. Culture fly. Here you have the Ecto one or whatever it's called. Air freshener.
that's cool. I'll put that in my car.
Ghostbuster socks, of course. Gotta have the socks. This figurine is amazing.
It's a mini PKE meter.
Let me see, let me see.
It's so cool. It lights up and makes sound.
Yeah, if you didn't push it down quite far enough, see, look. See, it
Oh,
opens up
yeah.
too.
Ah, yes. That's so cool.
Yeah, see,
And it
I'll show
also
you.
came with like this cool sticker book. I'll put that in the little stuff so I can show that better.
See, that's pretty neat. Cute.
Oh, this one is a mini proton pack. Just like that. That's really cool.
That's right. Ghostbuster shelf needs to expand.
Yeah, I know. We do have a Ghostbusters shelf. I think it's going to have to expand even more than it already is.
Look at this awesome figurine. that. It's fucking amazing.
Cool.
And one last thing. No, two last things.
I have to put the stickers on this and show you fully when it's done.
What's the, do you
But,
have the car? Oh, it's the backpack. I see.
It's the proton pack. Let's see, does it have
This is really cute. It's just a little planter. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Ooh, cute.
I don't know.
You
Let me
see?
turn this on. Oh, that's really cute. That's so cute.
And then the last thing is some coasters. Posters of all the Ghostbusters. That's pretty cool. You see?
Oh, those are really cool.
Turns on?
The stickers on it later.
Oh, so yeah, push the trigger. That's really cool though. Start the whole like, proton pack in. That's really cute. That's really cool.
Okay, here's the stickers we got from the Chucky pack. There's even this really cool, like, fake dollar bill. A $1 million bill. Okay. And you can kind of see the blanket a little bit better. And super cool stuff. There's also a ton of candy. I can't show that all on camera, but there's a lot of candy as well. And then look, oh my god, I might make a necklace out of him. He's so cute. And then cool keychain, button. These mints, or well, they're like candies, whatever. They're little knives. I love it. I don't know if we got a good image of this on camera back in the studio, but that's a really sweet bag. Okay, these are the stickers we got from the Haunted Mansion pack, and then those are the ones we got from the Ghostbusters, and then this is some more of the extra goodies besides the ton and ton of candy we got. Some really cute stuff. I got really cute stuffy because hand sanitizer is always helpful, right, these days. This cool slime. And then show these a little bit closer. They're so cool. So cool. And then this one. Where's the button? There it is. It's so cute. It even has like a little backpack. We could put it on like a character if we wanted. Let's see what else. That's a really cool like clear ornament. We could totally do cool things with, like put things in it. Weird, squishy. He's a zombie. Cool shot glass. This is super cool. It looks glittery and blue, and it's ectoplasm. And then, oh, I forgot to show this. This cute little squish. Okay, I think that's everything. That was a super fun mystery box. I started playing with the ectoplasm, and look, there's an itty bitty little fucking, oh, come on, focus. Focus. You have the ability. Okay, I went to play with the ectoplasm, and look at this tiny little, Stay Puft Marshmallow Man inside. It's so cool.
Alright, so that was Ghoulish Goodies. Ghostbusters,
See the socks,
Haunted Mansion, and Chucky boxes.
And they'll probably be a little different if you get the same one, because like I think they're all like very different and
Yeah, I'm not really sure.
personalized.
Yeah.
So
Check them out. They have really cool stuff.
they have all kinds of different categories you can choose from, and you can even build your own box if you don't want to be surprised.
So check out Ghoulish Goodies. They have a lot of really neat stuff. And
Yeah.
We will see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things. And we'll see you next time.